Fifth question from exercise 6.1 is, following is the list of temperature of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. These are the places: Siachen, temperature is 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius; Shimla 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius; Ahmedabad 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius; Delhi 20 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius; and Srinagar 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. In this question, we have to write the temperatures of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. In this blank column, we have to write this temperature in the form of integers. Here at Siachen, the temperature is 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. Below means less than 0. Means we can indicate this temperature in minus sign, that is minus 10 degree Celsius, because it is below 0 degree. Here also at Shimla, temperature is 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degree. Below means minus 2 degrees Celsius, that is less than 0. At Ahmedabad, temperature is 30 degrees Celsius above 0. Above means greater than 0, means plus 30 degrees Celsius. Here it is 20 degree above, means plus 20 degrees Celsius. And here at Srinagar, the temperature is 5 degree Celsius below 0 degree Celsius. Again here below means minus 5 degree Celsius. Now in B part, following is the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. This is a number line, and here these are the integers representing the temperature here. Plot the name of the city against its temperature. On this number line, we have to plot the names of these cities here. So first one is Siachen, which is below 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degree, so minus 10 degrees Celsius. Here minus 10 degrees Celsius is here, so we can represent it as Siachen minus 10 degrees Celsius. Next is Shimla minus 2 degrees Celsius. Here it is 0 and this is minus 5. So this one is minus 1 and this is minus 2. Here we write Shimla. Next is Ahmedabad, 30 degrees Celsius above 0 means plus 30. Here is 0 and at right hand side of 0 there are positive integers and this is 30 degree. So we write here as Ahmedabad. Delhi plus 20 degrees Celsius, this is plus 20, it is Delhi. And last one is Srinagar minus 5 degrees Celsius. Here 0 and minus 5 is at the left of 0, so we will write here as Srinagar. C question here is, which is the coolest place? Here coolest place means having minimum value. In this table, Siachen is having the minimum value, that is minus 10 degrees Celsius, means below 0 degrees Celsius. So the answer here is Siachen is the coolest place. D question is, write the names of the places where temperature are above 10 degrees Celsius. Here you can see that the temperature above 10 degrees Celsius is 30 degree, which is at Ahmedabad, and the temperature above 10 degrees Celsius is 20 degree, which is at Delhi. Next 7 question is, write all the integers between the given pairs. Write them in increasing order. 0 and minus 7. We have to write the integers between these points. First of all, The integers from 0 and -7 are -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. But we have to write them in increasing order. So here the highest number is -6, then -5, -4, -3, -2 and -1. These are in increasing order. Again, C question is, we have to write the integers between -8 and -15. Here the integers between -8 and -15 are -9, -10, -11, 12, 13 and 14. Again we have to write them in increasing order. So which is bigger number here, -9 or -14? Here -14 is bigger number. So -14, -13, -12, -11, -10 and -9 is the